friends, Heather here from the Sewing Loft, and today I have a brand new block for us to stitch up. Not only is it perfect for your scraps and easy to make, but it's free for you to download. That's right, it's the Patchwork Thimble, and I'm sharing the instructions with you today. You can download it, grab your scraps, and then head straight to the cutting table because we are going to stitch this up. To make quick work of my cutting, I layered a few of my scraps together and then just followed the instructions to cut out my pieces. From there, I joined my patches together one at a time, creating an entire row. To make things easy, I finger pressed each one along the way instead of stepping away to the ironing station. After stitching all my rows together, it was time to focus on the corner details. You can see here that instead of drawing a line from corner to corner on my squares, I used the laser beam guide on my Baby Lock Altair. Use whichever method works for you and your machines. With our corner details and rows stitched, it's time to put our units together. You can see here that I've lined up each of those patchwork seams so that everything matches neatly. I'm nesting my seam allowance from side to side, alternating direction. Give everything a good press at your ironing station and then add those side units to your patchwork center. Continue by following along on the instructions and joining the pieces together to create your finished unit. You can see here that I'm adding the upper row of the thimble that has that little corner detail. I've just lined everything together and then given it a good press. And then I've moved along and added the last additional piece. It's really important that you press as you work to make sure that everything lines up properly. Use pins if you need them, or just wiggle it like I did. Once you're done, give it one more press at the pressing station and then trim it all around to size. All right, I hope you enjoyed making your scrappy version of the Patchwork Thimble. Be sure to share a picture of your finished block so that we can all see and celebrate your latest sewing success.